Well, hello. Let's plan on some do's and don'ts when you are preparing for a workshop. I have done one, and I'm in the process of trying to get others established. And so being that it is December, this is a great time to go ahead and plan ahead. And the first thing you're going to have to do is write down what your goal is on paper. That way you'll have it down in writing. Write down where, what time, what place, and who you want to contact to get this event started. Once that's done, you got to make your phone call, contact the person that you want to hold your event. And if they're not interested in what you do when you talk about having worms, don't get discouraged, because every no equals a potential yes. But when you worm farm and you have the passion, there's a lot of people that are really interested in learning about worms. And I found that out when I done my first workshop. When you get there, you got to think about, are you going to have your worms with you? Is your plan to have, are you going to give worms away? Are you going to have them have their own worm totes to build? Are you going to provide worm totes? You got to figure out, the cost, what it's going to be to host your event. Most events are free, and starting out, you should never want money. Your goal is to just get out there, do it for free, educate people. Then eventually, if somebody wants you to come and host a workshop, they will offer you money to do that. But always do it for free. You got to think about, are you going to have giveaways, prizes for people that attend? That's another thing that you need to think about. And another thing that you do have to do is just go out there and have fun. Now, here are a few don'ts. Don't, focus on the numbers of people that come there, because it's not about you. If only one person attends your event, that's one person's life that you have the potential to change. So never get discouraged on the big numbers. One is better than none. So like I said, don't get discouraged if people, your big time numbers you think that are going to attend your workshops, don't attend. Because if you're focused on the number of people that attend your workshop, you're there for the wrong reasons. Another thing you don't want to do is go out there and give people way too much information. These people are new. Just because you have 30 years of knowledge with your worms, don't overwhelm people. Keep it simple. Try to have your time frame of your workshop between 30 to 40 minutes, and then that way you can have a little Q&A and answer people's questions as they come. Another thing is to don't think you know all the answers. If you don't know the answer, just be honest and tell the people you don't know the answer. You'll find out and you will get back with them. What you need to do once your event is finished is definitely thank the person and the place that allowed you to host your event. Send them an email with a thank you attached to it, or also send a card, a handwritten card, to tell them thank you so much for allowing me the opportunity. I'm looking forward to having another event if that works for you. So always leave on a good note. And the last thing you want to do is just have fun. Because if you don't have fun, no one else is going to have fun. So it's really easy. Like I said, just go out there, forget about yourself, focus on your audience, share your passion, and you'll be successful. If I can do it, you can do it. Here's a video of a workshop that I did for the YMCA. Check it out.